Welcome to this demonstration of NoteGenie, the AI-driven solution transforming the way professionals handle documentation. Today, we'll explore how NoteGenie empowers you to write less, connect more. Picture this: you're a social worker, healthcare provider, attorney, or a therapist. Hours of your day are spent on meticulous note-taking. Important, yes, but it often leaves less time for what truly matters: connecting with those you serve. Enter NoteGenie. Our AI technology revolutionizes note creation, allowing you to focus more on personal interactions and less on paperwork. It's your efficient, virtual assistant tailored for your professional needs. Now that you're all signed up with NoteGenie, you'll go to your dashboard and select the specific note type. For this example, we'll do a SOAP note. Over here is where you're going to enter any of the notes that you've taken while working with your client or patient. This can be something that you typed in the middle of session or just notes that you took in your notebook. I'll just type here something brief that I might type in while I'm working, and you'll find here where we select Elevate Notes. Now, if there's something specific that you want to direct NoteGenie to do, this is where you'll put it here. You see here where it has an optional prompt, and this will tell you like, oh, okay, please make this note only 2 paragraphs or make it a bullet format. That's up to you, and that's just a different customization that you have at your fingertip. But for now, I just want a basic SOAP note. I'm going to select Elevate Your Notes. And as you can see here, NoteGenie is working its magic. And watch, NoteGenie instantly crafts a comprehensive draft. The AI note not only uses appropriate terminology, but also adapts to compliance needs and your unique writing style. It's intuitive, intelligent, and incredibly time-saving. With NoteGenie, you're not just saving time, you're enhancing the quality of your professional interactions. Less time typing, more time engaging. That's our promise. It's ideal for anyone in a client-focused role, seeking efficiency without sacrificing personal touch. Ready to elevate your professional practice? Join the NoteGenie community today. Let AI take the strain off documentation so you can write less, connect more. Start your journey by clicking the link below or joining us at www.notegenie.ai. Thanks for watching this demo. We're excited for you to explore the full potential of NoteGenie. Keep an eye out for more features and tips to make your experience even more rewarding.